Hello, in this PixaFlux tutorial I'll show you how to create this continuous and seamless full grain layer texture that works across any mesh. To create this texture we'll use the Surface Groups node to generate grains of similar size across the surface. From the groups we'll extract the borders and add some noise around them. And we'll use this image to create the Albedo Map, the Normal Map, and the Roughness Map. In PixaFlux, from the Mesh Nodes menu, drag a surface node. Set the scene, object, and size. Add a Surface Groups node. Connected. Add a Surface Bake node. Connect surface and image. Connect the output to the Scene Textures Albedo input. In the Scene Viewport Settings window, set Debug Shader to Albedo. Activate Surface Groups. Num Groups breaks the surface in the given number of groups. Min size controls the minimum size of each group. Minimum size is a stronger constraint than num groups, and for this reason the final number of groups might be lower than the defined number of groups. Now that we set up the number of groups, let's extract the borders and add some noise to enhance the texture realism. Add a Surface Filter node. Connected. Set filter to different. This filter draws black elements that have all neighbors with the same group, and white those with at least one neighbor in a different group. Add a second Surface Filter node. Set filter to swap. This filter swaps randomly the values of the current element and one of its neighbors. Set amount to 0.5 to mix it with the input image. From the Compose menu, drag a Blend node. Connect the borders image to the mask input. Connect the output image to Surface Bake. Set the foreground color. Set the background color. Turn off the Debug Shader. From the Generate Nodes menu, drag a constant node. Set the format to value. Set value to 0. Connect the image output to the Scene Textures Metalness input. Add a surface to normal node. Drag a Surface Bake node to bake the normal map. Connect all inputs and outputs. Connect the image output to the Scene Textures normal input. The borders seem to be extruding out of the surface. Set the surface to normal multiplier to a negative value. This makes the border carve into the surface. Add a new Surface Bake node. Connect the borders as input. Connect the output to the Scene Textures Roughness input. From the Adjust Nodes menu, drag a Curves node. Set the curve to increase the roughness of the grains, and decrease the roughness of the crevices. Now let's save the textures. Save the Albedo texture. Save the normal texture. Save the roughness texture. With the full grain layer texture project complete, we can create new textures for any other model. Delete the scene. Load a new 3D model. Activate the surface node. Set the scene and object. PixaFlux generates a new surface texture for the new mesh. Save these new textures as images. Activate the Surface Groups node. Changing the seed value creates a completely different texture. These textures can be used in any PBR shader rendering network. This is how to create a full grain layer procedural texture. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us in Discord, Twitter, Blue Sky and Instagram for more updates and tutorials.